Welcome to another Gitopia tutorial. Today, we're unraveling the mystery of Interchain Bounties, an ingenious tool designed to incentivize and attract contributions to open-source projects. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of Interchain Bounties. Let's begin by creating an issue with a bounty attached. To do so, navigate to the main page of your repository and click on Issues as shown. On the subsequent page, click on New Issue to create a new issue for the repository. Now it's time to fill in the details of your issue. Write a concise title that represents the issue at hand, and a detailed description that provides a thorough understanding of what needs to be done. Then click on Attach Bounty. This takes you to the Bounty Creation dialog box. In this dialog box, choose your preferred token and input the amount. Then select an expiry date for the bounty, and when done, click on Add Token to Bounty. Proceed to click on Attach Bounty to attach the bounty to the issue. Finally, click Create Issue. Your newly created issue with the bounty will now be visible to all. But what about existing issues? Worry not, as bounties can be assigned to these as well. Simply locate the issue you want to incentivize, click on the Bounty tab, and then follow the identical steps we just went through to add a bounty to it. With an issue and its bounty now in place, it's time to assign it to a contributor. This step is paramount, as the bounty will be dispensed to the contributor upon successful PR merge, only if the issue has been assigned to them. Contributors can express their interest in solving the issue by commenting on it. As a project maintainer, your role is to sift through these comments and to assign the issue to a deserving contributor. The steps are as demonstrated. Now, let's switch perspectives and step into the shoes of the contributor. After getting the issue assigned to them, they would fork the repository, solve the issue, and create a pull request. The steps to create a pull request are as demonstrated. It's essential for the contributor to link the PR with the issue they are addressing, as shown. This helps track the progress of the issue and ensure that the bounty is correctly awarded. Back to the maintainer's perspective, once a PR is received, they should verify the code and that the PR is linked to the correct issue. After verification, the project maintainer merges the pull request. The final step happens automatically. The moment a pull request merges successfully, the bounty is released to the contributor. This impressive feature facilitates a direct and smooth reward system for contributors' efforts. The successful release of the bounty can be verified as shown. And there you have it. We've journeyed through the complete life cycle of an Interchain bounty on Gitopia. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it informative and helpful for your journey in Gitopia. Remember, Interchain bounties are a brilliant catalyst to boost collaboration in open source projects. Happy coding, and until next time.